The East River, located off of New York City, has unfortunately suffered from significant pollution over the years. Several factors have contributed to its pollution. One major reason is the historical industrialization along the river. In the past, the East River served as a bustling hub for factories and manufacturing plants. Unfortunately, these industrial activities often resulted in the discharge of harmful chemicals and waste directly into the river, leading to its pollution. Another factor is the issue of sewage and stormwater runoff. The East River receives wastewater from sewage systems and runoff from surrounding areas. During heavy rainfall, the combined sewer system can become overwhelmed, causing untreated sewage and stormwater to overflow into the river. This contributes to further pollution. The rapid urbanization and development around New York City have also played a role. Construction activities, the increase of impervious surfaces like roads and buildings, and inadequate stormwater management practices have all added to the pollution in the East River. Sediment, oil, and chemicals from these sources can contaminate the water. Furthermore, historical contamination from past industrial activities, shipyards, and improper waste disposal practices has left a lasting impact on the river. The accumulation of pollutants in the river sediments continues to affect water quality. Additionally, the limited tidal exchange and narrow channel of the East River hinder the natural flushing of pollutants. This reduced water circulation allows the accumulation of contaminants and contributes to the overall poor water quality. Efforts have been made to improve the water quality of the East River through pollution control measures, infrastructure upgrades, and environmental regulations. However, addressing historical pollution and mitigating ongoing sources of contamination remain ongoing challenges. The aim is to restore and protect the river's health for the benefit of both the environment and the people of New York City.